Day. Ano nga sa'yo, Day? Shanika. Hanggang kay sagbot nak, no? Grabe. Morning and afternoon jud dili magkuan. Di mahurot ang sagbot. It's because daghan kayog mga kahoy. And hangin man sad. Tara nga glimpyo day ha. Inigahapon na sad balikan day ha. Sige lang kay inigahapon og nice student na before mo kuan. So lang pasilhigon. Musulod.
Joanna, i-brush na imong kamot, Joanna. Sa planggana, day. Na. So ato sa nail cutter ang inyuhang feet. Kuko, sa kuko. Students, naunsa man to si Ali. For this afternoon, mag-test na ta. Okay? Using your magnetic board. Okay? Nagtuon? Yes. So atong topic ato is all about the 8 parts of speech. Nya, nag-discuss na ko ganina. So, you're going to answer the following task given to you. Okay. So, what is this part of speech that names a person, place, things, or idea? Unsa may tawag sa part of speech ato? Okay, very good. Si Sofia, Jillian May, very good. Kay dako jud pagkasuwat, dako ko nagsuwat para maklaro. Very good. Noun. How about you at the back? Unsa may answer? Noun. Okay, how about the others? Atong huwaton ang uban. Okay? Erase, tarong. Okay, dili naman sige kuan. It's okay, Sofia. Dili na mag-apil-apil. Ako rin mag-kuan, tanaw. Okay, very good. Noun, down. Okay. So, dili na mag-kuan sa classmate, ha? Next. It is a word or group of words that describes an action. I mean to say, it is an action word. Oh, unsa may tawag ato niya? Action word daw siya. Okay. Very good. Tarungag spelling ang imong verb. Okay. Very good, Jillian May. Ka-bright ni Jillian May. And si okay. Ang answer is verb. Nairong spelling dito ngayon na di man na. Usban ang di. B na. Dili na verb. Verb. B. As in boy. Okay. Faster. Very good. Down. Okay. Next. It is used before a noun or pronoun or gerund to show place, time, direction in a sentence. Unsa tawag ato niya? Katong nagsige kong example sa bag. Asa na ko dapit gibutang? No, it is not pronoun. Change your answer. Okay, unsa may answer? Very good. Na naka-answer this Leo og preposition. Okay. Change your answer. Okay, wrong spelling imo inday. Tarong nga yung spelling. Katoy mo correct. Tanawa sa Loyo. Wrong spelling. Imo ha Jillian May P-R-E. Okay, P-R-E ha. Preposition. Like the answer ni Liza at the back. Okay? Asa daw? Preposition. S-I na day. S-I. Tanawa. Sakto ni siya. Siku ano. Tanawang spelling niya. Okay. Very good. Oh. Preposition. Tarungo nag-spelling. Okay. Preposition. Correct. Next. Ari na ta. What is this that replaces the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence? Katong nag-replace siya. Katong gisubstitutan. What is that? What do you call that one? Okay. It's an answer. Very good. Si Sophia, Jillian May. Very good. Pronoun ang answer. Okay, change your answer. Okay, maminaw og tarong para maka-answer, ha? Students, our topic for this afternoon is all about the basic grammar. So, understanding fundamental grammar rules. So, we have here an examples. Identifying parts of speech in sentences, such as, for example, ini, the cat sleeps on the mat. Okay? So, kamo daw.
The cat sleeps on the mat.
Okay, so ang noun anak niya is cat and mat. Okay? Anong noun man ang cat ug mat? Tungod kay name man siya sa animals. And this one, ang mat, is name of a thing. So, nata dre 8 part of speech. When we say noun, it is the name of a person, place, and things. So, that is why ang example diri, ang answer sa noun is cat and mat with this sentence. So nakasabot ra? Very good. So how about verb? Ang verb diri sa sentence is basaha.
Sleep.
Again?
Sleep.
Okay. Because ang sleeps, kay lihok man na siya nga natulog, di ba? Okay. So action word. So that is why verb ang sleeps. How about this? Basaha.
Preposition.
Okay. So, ang answer is
On.
okay. It is on because ang preposition diri meaning basa to
Show, place, time, and direction in a sentence.
Very good. So, nag-show siya o asa man lapita. Di ba? For example, ano sa preposition is katong above, below, or under, no? Left side, right side, on, in, inside, outside, okay? Up, down, left, right. So that is preposition. Nag-show siya sa direction, nag-show siya sa time, as well as nag-show siya sa place. So nakagets na unsay preposition? Okay, very good. So dari ato explain ang 8 parts of speech. Basahon nato ang 8 parts of speech. Recall or remember. I-remember to mga previous topics nato. Okay? So kini basahon noun, pronoun,
Noun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition,
and
interjection.
interjection. So 8 di ka buok ang parts of speech. So if we say noun, muna to explain ako nga name of a person, pangalan sa tao, place, and things, pangalan sa lugar o sa butang. Kung ingon tag pronoun, mamina sa pronoun, substitute or replace